Hello guys, this is Mercury Auto Repairs. We've got the BMW, I think it's a 3 Series, 335. Is it 335? F11. Engine N57 engine code. The chain is rattling on it. Right. Just put it back to the timing marks basically on the front, on the crank, and you can see how much slack the top chain has on it. So look at that, and it's just by spinning the chain back. Nothing's broken yet, but you can see that the tensioner doesn't do a job anymore. The bottom chain looks quite alright, still got some pressure holding back, but yeah, that's where we are now with it. Right, two big turbos on it, hybrids done to it. It's twin turbo. Yep, we're gonna put a new chain kit on it, complete chain kit, bottom and top. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.